look at you, and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying.
Mommy, I have something to tell you.
Yes. What?
What you teach me kanina, you think I didn't memorize that? What you said, sige na. Nagdikit yan sa utak ko. Talaga. They're stuck. Nakadikit yan sa utak ko. Diba, sabi mo, memorize mo ito, Jane. Sabi mo yon.
Opo,
Dikit.
yes.
Nakadikit na siya. I'll prove it.
Okay.
The first one, ito muna, nung 7. Linggo, Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Jueves, Viernes, Sabado.
Yay!
Now the other one.
Good job.
The other one.
Okay.
Enero, Febrero, Marzo,
Their birthday.
Abril, and then Maya, and then Junio, Julio, Agosto, September, October, B what? Was it a B or a D?
N.
November, and then December. I told you, it's stick in my brain.
Good job.